back to my channel. So today we're going to work on something super easy, super quick, but in my opinion, one of the most important things that you could be doing when doing your makeup. And we're going to talk about eyebrows. Eyebrows frame the face. Eyebrows will either make or break a look, in my opinion. So I just wanted to go in depth. It should be a super quick video, but it's just so that you guys can see exactly what I'm doing with my eyebrows to make them look the way that they do. If you guys notice now, my eyebrows are super thin. They're a little sparse. When you feel them, it almost feels like there's no hair there. But when I post pictures, people will say like, oh my God, I love your eyebrows, or what are you doing, or what do you use? And so I thought, you know what, why don't we break it down, because something so simple can really make your face and either make you look super put together or just not quite complete. So anyway, if you're interested in seeing what I do with my eyebrows, then just keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to hit the like button, leave me a comment down below with what your eyebrow routine looks like, and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. I got all thems because I have a giveaway that's coming up soon. I'm so excited to share with everybody, but it should be really, really good. So make sure you follow me on Instagram so that you can be notified of all my future uploads as well as the giveaway rules. I'll see you in 2 seconds. Okay, so you're very, very close. If I look down or up, it's because I'm looking at either my viewfinder or my mirror, so please excuse that from the get-go. Excuse my groggy voice, because honestly, I just woke up. It's very early in the morning. So we're gonna get started. So what you wanna do is I take a little bit of a spoolie brush like this, an extra lash or mascara wand, and I brush my eyebrows up. I want them to all be going in one direction before I get started with the products. Now I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel. This is in the shade Chocolate. And I'm going to very neatly and lightly brush them up. I don't necessarily want a lot of pigment right now. I just want to make sure that a light layer of this gel will start to put them in its place. Next, I'm going to go in with my absolute favorite product, which is the Urban Decay Brow Blade. This is in the shade Dark Drapes. What I like about this product is that on one end it has a pencil. Honestly, I don't really use this side much at all, sometimes, but the side that I really do love is this brush. It almost looks like a liquid eyeliner brush, and this will be the product that gives you the absolute most hair-like strokes when doing your eyebrows. So I like to shake it. And I'm going to start going in. Can you see that? I will start going up first. And then after, start building this line. Sorry, I'm gonna grab my mirror. Don't be intimidated by how dark it looks or if you're getting it in a perfect line, because I'll show you that at the end we're going to clean it up. Do you see those really thin, razor thin hair-like strokes that it creates? I'm not necessarily too neat about this part. I kind of just fill in the brows where I feel like they're a little thin or sparse. because the gel that I'm going to use next will really fill them in. Do you see how they look like they were just microbladed? And again, it's called the Urban Decay Brow Blade. This product is amazing. Okay, next I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Tinted Brow Gel, again in the color Chocolate. And again, with a very light layer, I'm going to go in and brush things out. This time I'm applying a little more pressure because I want to make sure that the gel is getting in there. It also helps me to see where I need to go in with my brow blade again. As you can see, there's a little bit of a little spot there that I want to fix. But getting my brows in the direction in which I want them to go will help in letting me know where I need more correction. So I will go in again with the Urban Decay Brow Blade and very lightly and wispy just kind of go in. As I'm drawing these little hair-like strokes, when I get to the end, first of all, I'm barely touching my skin, but when I get to the end, I almost like whisk it out and up because I don't want that harsh line at the end of it. With natural hairs, they start thick at the root, but then they lighten up as towards the end of the hair. So that looks pretty good. It looks filled in to me. Again, I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Tinted Brow Gel. And I'm going to brush it in some more. That looks pretty good to me. It looks a little uneven from here, but now I'm going to show you how to clean it up. And after we clean it up, if we need to go in and fill in a few more areas with little hair-like strokes anywhere, we will. Okay, so for this part, to clean up the brow, just through trial and error, I found that the concealer that I really like for cleaning up is the Tarte Creaseless Concealer. It just happened to be a shade lighter for me, and so I thought, you know what, I don't want to just throw it away, let me use it for something, and so I use it for my brow. Any concealer or any foundation or anything else that you have will work just fine. And what I like to do is I will grab a little on my hand, then I will grab a brush like this, which this is the MAC 248. It's just a flat brush, a concealer brush. I will go in with the tip, just a tiny little bit of product on my brow, just a tiny little bit of product on my brow, and I will start to clean it up. I'm going in with very light mini strokes, just to make sure that I'm getting into the line exactly where I want it. If you see there, I kind of messed it up, but that's okay, we can fix it. And I just want to make sure that everything close to the brow is cleaned off. I try to be careful in this area. I don't want my brows to look too boxy or choppy or squared. So if I draw a line with my concealer that's too harsh, I'll go back in and I'll add some more little hair-like strokes in there. But very, very easy. I just kind of go in there. Now I'm going to go in with my brow blade again and just kind of fill it in to make sure it's even. Again, I will go in with my Anastasia Dip Brow Gel in Chocolate and start brushing up. This brushing up motion will really help create that bushy, natural brow illusion. I don't have too much hair in my brows, but along with the hair-like strokes that we just drew in and making the hair that I do have a little textured with this gel, it will give it the bushy eyebrow illusion. And if you still want a little bit more brushing or you think they're a little dark, you can always go in with your spoolie again. I will say that they look really dark right now, and sometimes that would scare me when I was doing my eyebrows. But what you will find is once you have all of your makeup put together, they really are not as dark as they appear to be on a bare face. So that's it for now. I'm going to finish the other eyebrow and then put together a full face of makeup, and then I will be right back. Here, guys, as you can see at the end, I made sure with the concealer to go out straight. I don't ever go in and do a full arch. I feel like that tends to pull down the face versus just going straight at the end. It does create that elongated illusion, the lifted eye illusion. So that's a little tip that I've learned along the way, and I feel like it really does make a difference in my eyebrows. I feel like they're not 100% exact. That's okay. They're meant to be sisters, not twins. But once I get all of my makeup on, I'll be able to make minor touches to it, minor corrections, so that I feel a little bit better about them. Right now, I feel like this one's a little darker than this one, but we'll fix it all up once the foundation and the full face of makeup is on. Like I said, that's when you can really tell and you realize that it's not they're not as dark as we thought they were. But that's my eyebrows for now. Okay, guys, so this is the finished look. Now, the eye situation, just ignore it. You may or may not have seen the video reviewing the Aura and Out ColourPop palette. So if you haven't seen it or if it's not up yet, you will be seeing that soon. But I just wanted to bring you back in and really just show you how the work that we did on our eyebrows really does come together once you have all of your makeup done. It makes them look natural and they don't look too dark, even though they did without makeup. But that's the part that I felt was most important to share with you guys, is it really does come together full circle once you're all done with your makeup. So thank you for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a comment down below letting me know what else you'd like to see me do a video on, and I will see you next time. Bye!